They favor them if you're not Igbo or you don't have that affinity much to the Igbos. Then if you are, they will be dismissed.
Is it the reason why Rotimi Amechi, when he was a governor of,
yes,
of Rivers State, he said that he's not from Igbo?
He said he's a Ikwerre man.
Ikwerre man, that he has nothing to do. But now, but he said that I am from Ikwerre, Rivers State. But what they are doing, the way they are treating the Igbos is not fair. Now he starts wearing Isiago to start supporting the Igbos. Okay, now, sir, maybe it's because his ambition now is, next election. I don't know whether he's coming for next president. That's why he's claiming to be part of Igbo now.
That's why I'm laughing. Exactly. Rotimi, as a historian, I don't forget.
Eh.
And I pick things because sometimes they lead you to some landmarks. Rotimi has said this many times. When he was governor, he was asked. He said he was a Ikwerre man. He never denied he was Igbo or not. But he said he was a Ikwerre man. Now, then later, there was a time he said that he was more Igbo than many people who claim to be Igbos. That because his ancestry is from Abia State. There are people from Abia State and Rivers State who call themselves Ikwerre too. But Rivers, majority Rivers are our ancestry, which are Igbos too. Then we have the Opobo side, we are of the Abia State too. So I just said something to make you laugh. Wike is a minister today because he openly said he has a Benin ancestry. So that nuisance value is why Wike is federal minister today. So it's like that. When Obdele was governor of Rivers State, he was asked. Obdele is from Ndoni. He was
Peter Odele.
He's a highly respected CKC old boy. I'm from CKC. I left 78. So I met him when they were living. We were kids. And I can tell you that the guy was to do his demeanor, the way he was carrying himself, attracted a lot of respect from many people. But when he was asked if he was an Igbo man as a governor of Rivers State, he said he preferred to be a Yoruba man. Because he felt that his power with him was by the grace of Yorubas. So he left for the Igbos, he wouldn't have been governor. So he preferred to be a Yoruba man, And graciously, his wife became Supreme Court because of Yoruba people. So you see the thing, they favor them if you're not Igbo or you don't have that affinity much to the Igbos. Then if you are, they will be dismissed. Like I told you about Alaibe. Alaibe came, they promised him next time he'll become governor of Bayelsa. When the next time came, they didn't refuse and put him, the man was annoyed and he went back to during the AD at that time. They flawed him. Next time he came, they went to Labour Party and that was the end of his political career. In the case of Rivers people, the problem is what I told you now. Any politician there that tries to identify. Fubara, for example, the day Fubara was said to have appointed Ohanes as chairman, I knew his time was up. Tinubu is to suspend Fubara because of Wike. Tinubu found a scanner tools to remove Fubara because Fubara was close to Ohanes. And the federal government has seen Rivers State, Bayelsa, Delta State, Akwa Ibom, Cross River as areas they conquered from the Igbos. Governor talking about Tinubu is because of that. Not that Tinubu is doing anything. He doesn't want to lose his seat. Likewise, the Cross River. Any governor there, must be hostile to Igbos to sustain his seat if not they will remove him. Including Governor Emmanuel, including Ababio, whose wife is an Igbo woman. You can never associate with the same country they will give you, but they won't say it. That is what look at the father in Benue attacking PWB. You can never show anything that will bring you closer to anything to the Igbos. They will be in trouble.
So you mean removing Fubara? The secret of removing Fubara is because of Ohaneze.
Nothing else. Not because of if Fubara was removed because of Wike, Wike would have said what he said if he knew. He would advise against it. Probably he didn't know, but he played it to his hands. He played it to their hands because of antagonism. But I said it to my close friends that this man is in trouble. If actually they tell you nominated this as the president, you're in trouble, and that's what happened. So any politician from these areas you see, they are fighting for their lives because the British have seen the place as area they conquered from the war, and that's why the Igbos cannot represent Nigeria.